Hi everybody, this is Robin, and I wanted to say that I'm going to say some stuff, read some stuff, and then I'm going to paint some stuff. So the first thing I'm going to say is that after seeing the Robin Moses mashup for my birthday, I got inspired and I want to just do a random act of kindness. And so I want to just announce it. And so if you guys go to Instagram, please go to this hashtag and read these stories. They are hilarious. It took a long time for me to go through all of them, and then I had Juicy help me, and she read through all of them, and we were like, wow, what can we do? You know, like, what can we do? So I was like, okay, well, whatever. So we read through them, and I was talking to Sandy and Tricia about the mashup and how some of the girls didn't have stories and that it was hard for them. And so I want to say that if you do a mashup, please know that you don't have to have a story, but if you have a story, I love reading stories, especially funny stories. So, you know, if you want to add a story to your mashup, that's wonderful. Use my tutorials and just hashtag it Robin Moses mashup, and I'll just go there, you know, and read it. And you can do that anytime. That will be something that I follow and everything, but every once in a while we'll have a special Robin Moses mashup where everybody gets together and does it for special occasions, you know? So with that being said, I want to do something special for someone that was in the mashup called Honey Candy, and the reason is because she went out of her comfort zone and painted with us just because she was inspired to paint, and she did her best, and her story was weird, but it was funny, and I was like, what? And then I was like, okay. So anyways, Honey Candy, please get a hold of me, robinmosesbrushes@yahoo.com. I want to send you something, girl. And then I want to make another like special weird announcement that there is a viewer that I have called Nails by Pooja, and I believe that she has graduated to master artist. I feel that she is amazing, and I love her, and that, like, I don't know how to like go about when the person I'm painting with is good or better than I am, but I know that I want to put all of my effort into teaching new artists. And so like I was like, Pooja, you can be your own master artist, and all, you know, but I just feel like this love in my heart, and I just want to give her a gift. And so I just want to say thank you, Pooja. You are a master, and I love you, and I love painting with you, and please, let's always paint together, and I just love you. And so here, there, Honey Candy and Nails by Pooja. Here, get a hold of me, robinmosesbrushes@yahoo.com, okay? And I want to just do something really special just for right now, and you can put these in at the end of the month, end of June, okay? But it will be a Robin Moses mashup, and the whole theme is water, okay? So think water. You can go into my spring playlist and my hot nails playlist and find all the water tutorials in there, spring and hot, okay? Spring and summer, and pick what you want. Do what you want, make a story if you want, and add it at the end of this month so I can read the stories again. But I am telling you why I'm going to do this right now, and that is because of a quote by Bruce Lee, okay? So I want to read this quote, and then I'll start painting a few things, okay? So, Bruce Lee, okay. You must be shapeless, formless, like water. When you pour water in a cup, it becomes the cup. When you pour water into a bottle, it becomes the bottle. When you pour water into a teapot, it becomes the teapot. Water can drip, and water can crash. Become like water, my friend. And so that is kind of like how nail art is. You have to be in that water space, and when you're in that water space creating, you flow, and when you flow, it gives you peace of mind, and it's bigger than that. And that's why I wanted Honey Candy to get, you know, something special, is because she's like water. She's in a place, but she painted out of that place for a moment. And so I'm getting my watercolors together and my water paints together, and I'm just going to paint a few things. But I just want to really say thank you from my heart, and that there are no rules in this, except for that you have to give credit. Always give credit and promote kindness. When you see theft, turn it in. When you see something that is wrong, turn it in and block it away. You don't have to be surrounded by all of that drama. You can block it out. We're at a place now where you have to block out some of the drama so that you can really find peace of mind in your heart. So I'm going to start painting, and I'll meet you back in a sec. Okay, so I'm starting this first nail with a little bit of blue, a little bit of dark brown, and a little bit of white. And I need water, so I'm going to spray it with water. Okay, with this brown, get it nice and thin. And I am going to paint below. If it's too thick, you can go longer, and if it starts to bubble up, you need to add more pigment or more paint to your thing. So I'm gonna go down. Is that light source? That's better. Okay. So, well, it's better for me. I hope you guys are, I hope that's okay for you guys. Okay. That. What you're doing is you're going under. Like just do, you know what, just follow me for a minute. It's okay. That. Half. Okay. And you guys, I know this sounds crazy, but I'm so nervous to do this video because usually my job is just so, you know, like kind of like the same thing, and so to speak my heart is very difficult. So sorry about that, but this means a lot to me, and I hope that you guys have fun, because there is no end to what you can do with nail art. And I think that a lot of times people try and put us in a box and label us, you know, and this is bigger than the art, and I have said that since the beginning, but my voice was very, very small back then, and so like as I get more of a voice, I can say more, but it's very hard. But like that, you know, you have to be water. You just have to say what you feel and mean what you say, and eventually, you know, people that believe the same and want to follow that, then they do, you know, and you have to have faith in that, and I do, you know, and I love what I do just as is. I don't have to do anything more. So, yeah. And just going on the underside so that there's dark brown and then white on top of that. And I'm doing it very haphazardly and with a shaky hand so that you guys don't feel intimidated, and that because I have a shaky hand some days, you know, like that's, like right now I just feel nervous and I don't know why. And that happens some days at work when you're at work, you know. And so there's one water, and of course I'm gonna, you know, clean that up. But very, very simple, and you can do the droplets and stream it down. Okay. Now for this one, I'm going to go in with a sponge. This is just a typical house sponge, a little tiny piece of it. I'm going to spray that with water. Be like water, you guys. Be like water. And then I'm going to dip it into the dark blue. Did I get, oh, I got white on my finger. Oh, my blue dried out a little bit. Oh, I was talking and I was just so nervous that I got my stuff dried out. Okay, So with this, I'm going in with the dark blue, sponging. Boop, 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 boop. Add some white. Some more white. That, oh, that's so cute. Okay, then go back in with your brush and add a little bit of blue and white mixed together for a light blue, but lighter than the back color. And just kind of make a little lines going in a half circle this way, okay, so that you can see the wave come up. That, just a real cute wave. Okay, then with the dark brown again, I'm gonna make a little tiny guy. Okay, here we go. And he is going to be on a little surfboard. Like that. And he's surfing through the water. See? Because that's what we're all trying to do that. Without falling. So there's the second water. Okay? Now the third one is going to be no water marble. So sometimes when you don't have any water, it's okay. You just keep on going and you do the best you can with what you have. So I have 3 polishes out for no water marbling. And I'm going to liberally apply 1 coat. Well, there's 1 coat that's dry, 1 coat that's liberally applied. And then in and just drop that polish in there. This is regular nail polish. And then you take your brush in, just the tip. You want to go straight up and down on the nail. And then pull down and then pull up. You want to go down through the white, so the white is on the end of your brush, and then push and pull down. Push through the white again, push through, and just swirl it all around and make it beautifully yours. All water, all different, all like a drop in the ocean, just like us. So that's why I chose this, because no matter how you paint it, it will still be water. It's malleable. It's constantly moving. It's constantly changing, and yet it always stays the same. And that is important to me. So I think that it's only amazingly perfect to end it with Twilight True Sparkling Water, which is ironically hollow glitter. So hollow glitter is a rainbow, right? And a rainbow can't be made without water. It takes the mist of the water. And so I'm going to open that and pour some water out onto another tile. And right here, just right there, okay? And then I'm going to go in and just sparkle all of my waters up, because as nail artists, that's what we do. We give a little bit of sparkle to others, and at the same time we learn about ourselves. And so I constantly want to be that kind of source to all of you. I don't want anything more than that, and I kind of love it. So that's where I'm going to be, and that's where you guys can find me. If I have left anything out of this, or if there's the confusion about anything, please leave it in the comment section below, because I had so much to say today that I was just a bundle of nerves, and I feel like I got it out. So yay. And I didn't make that much of a mess. When I get nervous, oh my goodness, I just start toppling stuff. So this is kind of like my own project. It's like a test for me to be water, you guys. It's like for me to say my heart is a test for me, just like you guys did the mashup. So we're all in this, you know, and it's bigger than me, and it's bigger than all of us. We're just painting together, but I feel like it's needed right now. So like we should paint together and be happy and give credit and be a community that we can be proud of, not one where people just email you and block you with no apology, you know, like all of these things that this company asked me to write a book and steal from all of you guys so that they could have a book to sell, you know, and all these things, these sinister things that come my way that I say no to all the time so that I can do what I want to do. Those things are now, I know that, like, I'm not even going to entertain that, you know. If I make a book, it's going to be made by me. If I make something, it's going to be made by me. Right now, I'm trying to look for somebody who knows how to get a hold of really good paints and stuff like that, who knows about that. So please, if you know someone, tell me. And if you join the Moses Mashes, the Robin Moses Mashes, just know that I watch, I read, and I'm a part of it, that this is where I love to be. So anyways, with that, here is my water to you guys today, and I can't wait to see what I see at the end of this month, and that I thank and congratulate the winners. I thank Gigi and Tricia for all they do to help, and I hope you guys have a really great time doing this, and I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. I'll see you back with more, and I love you guys. Bye!